Hey, to clear YouTube history, all you have to do is just to click on the right upper corner or on your account. Then from here, you will have to actually go into your data in the YouTube. And now when you scroll down, you can actually find the YouTube watch history. And if you want to clear the YouTube watch history, or for example, YouTube search history, you can click on this one of the following button. So let's open both of them. And now from here, as you can see, if I want to delete like all history of my YouTube, I have to click right here and then pick delete all time. But also I can delete some specific watches. So like for example, this one or this one by clicking on the X. And that's how we can do this. But if you want to remove your YouTube search history, you can also do this by selecting this option, delete all the time, or select the specific one. So I was searching for Realme 11 5G data transfer. So I have to click on it like this, and it's gone. So that's how it looks. You can also open your YouTube home site. And when you click on the search with the left mouse button, you can also keep removing your suggestions and basically your search. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you at the next one.